has filed a case in the United States District Court, Eastern District of New York, against Adani's, that we are all aware. This is the draft copy of what they have filed in the New York court, which very clearly states that Jagan Mohan Reddy has taken bribes to the tune of $200 million and also calls him a very intelligent person. Calls him a very intelligent person for having taken more bribes than the Orissa government. They have clearly mentioned here the bribe to Andhra Pradesh for power supply agreement, which was significantly larger than the Odisha power supply agreement, was greater than that paid to the Odisha government officials by order of magnitude. Andhra Pradesh bribe amount, approximately $200 million. And they very clearly have stated that once the bribe amount was finalized, the distribution, the PPA agreement with the AP Discoms went with flying speed. What was pending for the last 18 months, when no state was willing to buy power from SCCI because of a higher rate, because nobody was interested, because every Discom wants to buy it at a cheaper price so that their distribution cost comes down, their end user cost comes down. It is only once that these bribes were paid that the Discoms went at full speed and finished and closed all the PPA agreements. So our point is very simple. We are only saying one thing. We are congratulating Jagan Mohan Reddy for having reached the heights. Today, no politician in India has ever been indicted in the US by the US government in a US court. So again, Andhra Pradesh comes first, being the first chief minister who has had that seat in India, his name coming up in the FBI records, in the Security Exchange records. See, it is not a small thing. You can be a goon in a street, but being an international criminal and being a politician, it's a double dhamaka. So we, on behalf of Telugu Desam Party, we congratulate Jagan and we wish Jagan a bon voyage to US. I am sure he is going to be jailed there. Don't worry. I know that you are used to mutton curry. We will talk to Uncle Trump and see that we arrange whatever food you require there.